Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This camper features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 204 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission as well as 4MOTION, the 4-wheel drive system. Finished here in the lovely candy white colour. Taking a look at some more of the exterior features. Up front we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and the camper also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 17-inch woodstock alloy wheels coming in a black and silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass on the rear windows, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, this California Ocean features a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Another useful exterior feature is the removable and lockable towbar, perfect for all your towing applications. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, we'll find a large amount of storage space beneath and up top of the multi-flex board. Over on the left hand side we'll find a few storage cupboards, and there's also an outlet for the outdoor shower. Moving into the rear passenger area, there's a total of 2 seats providing comfort on those drives, and in the back you'll find everything that you'll need on your camping trip away, such as a fridge/coolbox, twin hob burner and a sink with a foldable tap. A table folds out, and once the roof has been deployed there's plenty of headspace in the back of the vehicle. When it's time for bed, the rear seat can be folded flat and the comfort mattress laid out, providing a 2-berth sleeping area. Up top we'll also find a 2-berth sleeping area, perfect for the little ones. Moving up into the cab area we'll find 2 singular swiveling seats, both with 2 armrests each. These also feature a heated function, and in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as access any of your favourite DAB or FM radio stations. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a few climate controls and charging points, and exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.